Thank you guys so much for watching me put this system together. This system is called the Growneer Hydro Easy. And as you can see, it's 2 tiers and it comes with everything that you need. So you've got your sponges. This is what you will plant your seeds in. You've got your sponge baskets here. And this is what you will put your sponges in. And the actual baskets go into these holes here. And then you have humidity dome caps, these here. This is what you put over your seedlings after you recently plant them. Once they start to grow, you remove these. You have these are kind of like door caps to close off any cells that you're not using. So if you're not using one of these, you just put that over it. You have this here. Let me just scoot you closer. You have the lid to your reservoir. This is where you will add water into the system. You have all of your fertilizers that you're going to need. The instructions tell you exactly how to use these. You have plant tags, and then you have sticker labels. This is the package for the caps. So the easy mode is 14 hours of light, 10 hours no light. Vacation, 12 hours of light, 12 hours no light. And then the 16 is 16 hours of light, 8 hours of no light. So these are different cycles that you can choose. They're saying that the 16-hour cycle is an advanced cycle, and I'm not sure why. It probably depends on what you're growing in here. For me, I feel like between 12 and 14 hours is a great amount of light for seed starting. So let's just start one of these cycles. Where are my lights? Oh, sorry, we'll do this. There. Push the wrong button. Okay, so now let me show you. It automatically beeps on when you turn it on. And then we can select either the 14-hour, the 12-hour, or the 16-hour light cycle. So that means it's on for 14 hours. And then the 12 is on for 12 hours, off for 12 hours. And then you have the 16-hour cycle where it's on for 16 hours, off for 8 hours. So then you use the power button to select which cycle you want. So we've got the bottom going, and then we've got the top going. So each system has a pump in there that helps keep the water oxygenated. That's what helps your plant's roots grow. It helps your plants grow, having oxygen at the roots, especially since they're going to be in water the entire time. It also comes with this book that has some instructions on different types of plants that you can grow in here. It has lettuces, it has flowers, it has nasturtium, herbs, chives, things like that. So it also has strawberries in here, which kind of surprised me, but why not? I've never grown strawberries in a hydroponic system. I've used a hydroponic system probably for about, I want to say 2 or 3 years until mine broke. Actually broke last year, and then I tossed it out. So this has come at the right time. I won't be planting anything today, but we will be planting this up later on in the fall season, getting close to winter. So I would say I'll probably plant this up in late November, December, because I still have the garden going outside. So this can wait a little bit, but I'm very excited to use it. I think it is a cool setup I also have a discount code for you that I will put up so that you can save. Now, as far as where to put this, I have pets. And this shelf here is right on the ground. It's right by the ground. I have a little kitty that likes to eat things, and if we just have this buffet right where she can get to it. I also have dogs too, which would enjoy, you know, eating some of my vegetables. So you can put this up on tabletops, you can put it on a shelf, anything to get it up off the floor. Now we know that cats can jump on things, they do. Mine, I have trained my cat that at least while I'm around and I can see her, she doesn't jump on like my tables or countertops, nothing like that. It's taken years to get her to understand that we don't want her to do that, and so she doesn't, at least while I'm awake or while anyone's down here. We don't see her do that. Now when she was younger, yes, she would do that and she would get in big trouble, but now she doesn't do that. But however, if you put something at ground level, she's gonna go for it. She's gonna assume that this is hers also, and she's gonna go for whatever's in there. So I have to find the right space to put this to keep it from animal pressure. You want to make sure that you put your Growneer in a space where if you have little kids, they won't come snatching your veggies and plants out of there, or if you have pets, that they won't come and eat or, you know, destroy your system. You can put this up on a tabletop if you want to. Just make sure that it's not in a space where it can be knocked over. It's actually pretty sturdy, so just make sure that, you know, you're being safe with it and keeping it up away from pets that can get to it and maybe eat something that they shouldn't, and little kids that might pull stuff down or rip stuff out or eat something that you don't want them to eat. So yes. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions about this system. I do have a discount code for you, so I'll put it on the screen, and then I will also put it in the description for you if you would like to try this system for yourself. Again, I'm going to be using this system late November, December time probably. It just depends on when I finish up with my garden outside. Then we'll start to garden indoors. But yes, all right, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.